And we're starting off today's show with a little holiday party prep. St. Patrick's Day is less than a week away. And if you want to celebrate in style without a lot of prep time or a hefty price tag, you're in luck. Balloons are a simple way to set the scene. From shamrocks to rainbows, balloons are the perfect way to add a festive flair that makes an impressive impact. Balloon artist Miranda Thompson says your kids will feel like they've struck gold when they wake up to this fun and vibrant celebration. Hi, Miranda. Welcome back to Studio 5.
Good morning.
This is so fun and cheerful and happy. I'm so
you.
excited to learn from you today. And now it's too, like, if we want to do something that is festive but not over the top, doesn't have a big price tag, you're saying balloons are the way to go.
Oh, absolutely. You can fill a huge space with just a little bit of product. So balloons are a really easy way to do that. My favorite thing for St. Patrick's Day, my son loves a leprechaun trap. So we're always finding that pot of gold, right?
Yeah, cute.
So this is a great way to do that.
All right, this is so fun. Let's go over what we need.
Sure.
And then you're going to teach me how to assemble.
I am.
Okay, awesome.
Yes.
All right, so what are the tools? What are the things?
So you'll need a balloon pump, whether it's a hand pump or
Okay.
an electric pump. You can find those at your local party store. A couple of balloons. We've got balloons in various sizes. So there's anything from, you know, a larger balloon to the medium to the small.
And I got minis.
You do, yes. We're going to make a mini shamrock with that. And then we have a lot of like fringe. So this is just a plastic tablecloth that we've cut into pieces.
That's what's hanging out down here?
That's what this is. It's just plastic tablecloth.
Oh, brilliant.
And then these are like that metallic door curtain, that fringe foil curtain. And so what you'll do, you'll just take a string and then you'll take these little guys, cut them into strips, and then you just tie them onto the string. You're just gonna tie them right here, easy peasy. Just go like this, tie it on, and then you've got yourself a nice little
and so then you just
fringe
layered it,
backdrop.
and even with the gold, did you cut that? Because usually those come in a strip, right?
They do, yes. So I just tore them off.
Oh,
They come, there's a solid tab at the top, and I just tore them off, and then you just tie these little pieces
I
in.
love how the gold just like pops.
Right, it adds a little pop of
little
fun.
shimmery shine over there.
Shimmer.
And you know I love pink, so I love that you added the pink to the traditional St. Patrick's Day
For me, it's
colors.
pink always.
Yes, I love it. Okay, me too. All right, so what are you going to show me to make?
We're going to make a cloud really
right.
quick. So you're just going to take your balloons. You can do them at any size. It's really easy. And just inflate 2 of them.
Okay, and you didn't tie that one yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
No. So you're going to inflate 2 of them, and then I'm going to show you to round them out.
Okay, I was like,
cloud.
what's the pushing here?
We're
What are we doing
rounding.
here?
And then you'll just take the 2 balloons and tie them together. So just twist around and tie them together.
Okay.
This is
feel
how
like you make that look
save your
really
fingers,
easy,
guys. This is how you save your fingers.
Oh, instead of doing them individually.
Yes.
All right.
Exactly.
That makes it a little easier.
And then you'll take 2 more and you'll do the exact same thing. And that's how you get the base of these clouds. So I just used a couple different sizes back here.
You've got some really big ones, which are fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
How are you
This one's
tying
gonna
those
hold.
and getting those connected to the smaller ones?
So once you tie them together, you're just gonna twist them. So you'll just take these 2 and twist them together.
Oh.
So you have a little cloud of 4.
Ah, so cute.
So, and then you just tie them all together.
Okay, just with some string back there,
Yep.
you've got everything.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Everything's just tied
Look
together.
how cute
with a
that is too, with
string
all
or one
these
of
different
balloons.
sizes, and then you've added some of these fun pops of color. And are those tied on with string or
They're
rubber
tied
bands?
on with another balloon. So
Oh, okay.
you'll inflate, if you want to take a couple of these
Okay.
and inflate them.
All right, wait, hold on. Why am I so nervous? This is my first time doing, okay.
Your first time.
Now you
All right.
said this is small, so is that right?
Yes, yep.
All right.
That's all you need to do.
Okay.
And then just kind of squish it a little bit to round it.
Are you letting air out when you squish it?
I
or this
do
is just like a
little bit,
molding
but
situation?
either way.
Okay.
Either way.
All
It
right.
depends on how
Oh,
big you want it.
Okay. Now I'm holding this with one other hand.
Yep.
Wow. The coordination
I
here.
know, right?
Why do I not
Make
feel
it
equipped
tricky.
for this? Okay, hold on.
It takes some practice, and that's okay.
Wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. Come on. We can do this. Wait, why won't that stay on?
Do you want me to hold your other balloon?
I got it. Okay, here we go.
There you go.
She's so little.
Okay, that's perfect.
Is that good?
Yep, that's
All right,
great.
we're gonna round it out. So now I've got these.
You're going to tie those 2 together. So you're
wait,
just
how
gonna
did you do
take
that?
The 2, and you'll just wrap them around and tie them.
Okay.
There you go.
And then I gotta knot it though, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then knot it together.
Okay. This segment's gonna take way longer than expected because
it's great.
I
You're
don't-
doing amazing.
All right, thank you, Miranda, for the
There you
the
go.
cheering on. Okay.
That's perfect.
Oh, look at that. Huge accomplishment.
And then
what do we do?
just take it and we're gonna tie it to the end of your long skinny balloon.
Okay.
Yep.
Just this guy.
Yep.
All right.
So you're gonna do just the same thing, wrap it around the center,
Okay.
tie it on,
Okay.
and then you have, once you inflate a few more, you have one of these guys. This is your trick. You just take it and you wrap it around a balloon, and that's how you get your
Oh,
little
so I'd
guys
have the
in
other
there.
ones here.
Yeah.
Okay, but how did you make this?
Okay, we wanna make a shamrock?
Yeah, show me a shamrock.
All right. You can do it with this.
I can? Okay.
Yes. So we're gonna inflate these guys. So inflate your
Okay,
turn.
so I'll do, okay, this, I'm gonna do a small shamrock. Okay.
Yeah. This is
Look
the
at
only
that.
time you'll hear me
I'm
tell you not
basically a
to
pro.
round out a balloon.
Oh, on this one?
Because we want
Okay.
it to be a shamrock, we're gonna squish it
Okay.
so that it's a little more egg-shaped.
Okay.
This one I am gonna tie off by itself.
Tie off.
Just tie it at
Okay.
the end of it, just so that I have more hands.
All right. We'll see if we can finish this in a minute, too.
We got this.
Time flies, okay.
Okay.
So I've got my 3. They're a little,
Yep,
maybe
just tie
uneven.
them together.
So-
So now take that third one and just tie it right in.
Okay, add that right in. And like, what string am I using here? Miranda, as we're finishing this, tell me where can people find more from you? So
The easiest way to find me is on Instagram.
Okay.
You can find me at snap.pop.party.
Snap that pop up party, cute.
And we do offer all sorts of things in addition to balloons. In fact,
Oh, fun.
today we just launched a backdrop rental piece of our business.
Cute.
So in addition to balloons and photo booths, we do
Yeah.
a lot of rentals as well. So that's where you can find us.
I love it. Okay, now we're gonna do kind of the stem.
So you're gonna
right?
inflate that guy.
Okay. You
Just a
are
couple
so
of
creative.
pumps.
This is so fun. A couple pumps. Okay, I think we're gonna have to join you over on Instagram to get the finished product of how to do this.
I will
but
do
here's
a tutorial just for you guys. on
Okay, will
Instagram.
you please?
Yep.
Because clearly I just took a little longer than expected, but we appreciate you so much. Thanks for putting up with me. All right, I'm gonna keep trying during the break, you guys. We'll see how that goes.